Somebody say y'all indicated the plastic alarm.
No,
Is somebody there?
I'll be on one side though. Look like that. Don't be beautiful. Andrew.
Oh,
Andrew.
come on.
Big body fat.
Oh.
No Hollywood video. Give me the real Instagram.
Wait.
Big body fat. Don't do me so.
What did she say?
She said big body fat. Give me the wrong do me so. Juice WRLD.
Let's let the fire on. Now I'm trying to be back to what?
That's what my money line. Simmon. Big Uno. Big Zero.
Somebody say you almost died. For real? Alright, sorry.
I write songs and all of that. I wrote God, Dad. Please don't forgive me for the stove,
I got this
man.
book right here.
God, man.
This is crazy right now. You have this crazy at this? Oh. Right. Turn it off now. A little more. To the rim rain. She's burning off, bitch. Wait, hold on, she's gonna-
Careful with that. Don't be over there.
I'm messing with you. It's not turning blood. Oh my god, wait for the one. It's melting.
Oh, say.
Wait, hold on.
Yeah, 14, where you at, 14?
Finally, I got this shit. She said, not you literally, right? That's no wonder it's fucking cold as fucking living with you.
Bro, she was right about Danny on the train.
Yo, that lady was right. Yo, just put it on fire.
I gotta know who the boys
Why
on.
do you put this camera on right now?
I gotta do the right thing by my wife, my queen. If you let me do the right thing, you will have the right thing. You just have to learn how to get the right thing. I don't understand shit. She understands. She wasn't first. Like I wasn't first.
You almost saw a little something here, but it's
You
not.
gotta let me go to the good boys no more.
Oh, shit. She's in.
She's up.
She's in. She's up inside.
We're gonna do this.
Trust me.
We're gonna sit one BFF. We're gonna.
Oh my god, yeah, we're gonna plan
Single
for
toes.
one BFF to
If
find
you find it
it.
on the S shuttle,
It's right. She was like, why are you doing it? Maybe not just over here putting it on the corner. Stop. She's like, give it. Alright, y'all, I'm about to get off this bitch. Oh, your friend is big. Not to be connected.
The same one all the time, y'all.
Right.
I think
I'm saying, like
that.
It just follows up. I need the salt water ASAP, like right now, for my skin, my hair, everything.
I think we have like 2 Yeah, right? Yeah.
Alright, y'all, not online no more, so.
Have the camera.
Right, the camera's like, hi.
Little iCarly.
Right, a little iCarly moment.
How was your debut on live today? Felt important, beautiful. Oh my god! You can hear your girl. Oh, we have to stop seeing that. Dang, we went deep.
Yo, I am so happy we got that follower. Like, yo, she was not playing.